Hey guys, Chris again from Vallone's RC Hobby, and what you see is my ARRMA Limitless. Holy cow, I'm gonna do a speed run. Guys, this is a budget build. I'm gonna go over my build once I do a few runs with you, and I'll show you what I put into this thing and show you the kind of speeds that I'm getting. I'm gonna attach my GoPro to the top of the wing here, the rear wing, and see what kind of speeds I get. And hope you enjoy this video. I'll be back and discuss with you what we put into this little beast. Let's get to it.